What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another video. This is the conclusion. This is video number 2 of the batch videos I'm making to bring us into to carry us over to the weekend, and we'll be starting our full budget of January next week. Okay, you guys, I'm still trying to catch up on a few bills, and I'm so happy that it was a bonus week in this month. So thank you for whoever created the calendars. It's really appreciated this month especially. I hope you all are doing well. If you hear these dogs barking in my background, just know where I moved to, this community is dog friendly, okay, you guys? So just ignore them, all right, like I do. Okay, so today we will be going ahead, and first of all, because we're trying to catch up on this rent, so we're gonna be going ahead and let's count this money first. So we got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2. Whoops. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we got 218 today. All right, let's take care of that rent first. This video won't be long. These will be kind of short videos. So we got 1 and 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we got 200. Let's see what we already got in here. So now we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 4, 6. Wait a minute. Hold on. 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. All right. Okay. Can't play with the rent, honey. So we got 4, we got $373 to go. And I am confident that we will have that by Monday. All right, so that is that for that binder. Now we're gonna go over to my binder. Savings is gonna get $5. Birthday is gonna get $2. And I know I had, this was, do I wanna do this? I planned it to do one of these, but I think maybe we'll do that next week, because we just gonna have to do that next week. Let me put something in husband's binder. So his savings will get $5 as well. So now he has $10 in his savings. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all linked over. I apologize. Today I'm kind of just tired. But you know, one thing I keep telling myself, like, you know, I love this community, but it is another source of income also, you know, and I need to show up at work, okay? I need to treat it like a job, you know, and me saving in real life is a bonus, okay? Me saving is a bonus. I love this. I believe in this. And I need, as far as my part goes, being a content creator, I need to make sure I'm filming this. You know what I mean? No excuses, y'all. No excuses. All right. His birthday gonna get $1 as well. And that is that for this binder. And Jaden, no, not Jaden, my sinking fund. We just gonna go ahead and put this $5 in the emergency fund. Now my emergency fund has 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And we're going to keep that to moving. Now, you guys, we have a little bit to do in this Detroit fun. Let's see what we got here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see what we can do for Detroit with this right here. So let me get this marker, this crayon. Sorry, y'all. We just gonna use a marker, honey. We gonna use a marker, but first we gonna go ahead and go through this. We have Giovanna. She will be getting $1. So now she has $3. And this is my Detroit binder. I am from Detroit, Michigan. Me and my husband, Will, we are from Detroit. And all of our family is back there. My other 2 children, they're adults now. They are back there. My mother and my father and my aunts and uncles, they're back there, same with Will. So this year we want to focus on funding this. My parents are seniors now. My aunts and uncles are seniors. My 2 children, you know, just so in case we need to get home, okay? We need to get home in a hurry, all right? So we're going to really work on this year, Jayden, and also Jalen getting $1, and also saving for gifts and Christmas and stuff, so it won't sneak up on me. And my goal for this binder is everybody who naming it is anywhere from $3 to $6 a week. My father, he will be getting $1. I got it all written out, so, and what it equals to. And we will be doing savings challenges for this binder, specifically its own savings challenge. My mother will be getting $1. This binder will have its own savings challenges. I'm gonna be doing savings challenges for multiple binders. Well, not binders, but multiple envelopes, like car maintenance. I just got all kind of ideas. I don't really want to, you know, shout them out because I'm really new to this budgeting, but not cash stuffing. So I'm trying to just play with some numbers and just see what possibly I would even need to get those amounts every week. Okay, Carl and Ashton, Cason's parents, will be getting $1, so now they have 3. And this envelope is for Cason, really the kids, but it can be for their whole family, whatever is in here, but mainly for the baby. But you know, my sister passed, like I told y'all, and you know, I'm their auntie, so they might need $20. Yeah, I still need to borrow money from my parents sometimes too, and my niece and nephew, honey, they will call and ask if they need some help. That's what family is for. So I would like it if I can have a couple of dollars in there in case they do need me. Okay, so Charvet, my only niece, she's getting $1 as well. She has 3 now. Yep. I got this idea, and I cannot remember the girl's name, but I got this idea from her. She had, like, she was meticulous with it too, y'all. She was stuffing, like, for one category, $3, like, every single week. $3 or $5, everything had just so. She had her amounts just so. And she was doing it. But the fun came, I guess, when she was doing her savings challenges and sinking funds. But these other personal binders, it's just like a job. It's just like accounting. And I felt that. I love that. So that's what made me go with them $3 amounts and this and that, because it equals up to something. So we got 1, 2. So we gonna go ahead and do the 2 right here. I don't have my crayon. Whoops. So we just gonna color it in lightly. Oh, that's so ghetto. Hold on. Let me get, watch out, Daquan. Yeah, I almost did it. I almost just did it with a marker, but We're gonna try to do some stuff a little bit different today. But yeah, I just want to be, and then we got to start saving for my biopsy. I still haven't got that. I got to figure out, I got to call them next week too and see what kind of plan I can get on, because they want all their money. I'm like, how you going to tell somebody they need a biopsy, but then you don't take payments? What you telling them that for? If you can't do nothing for them without all the money, these doctors and these medical insurance places and all that stuff, honey. If you ain't got no paper in some situations, or you ain't got no Medicaid or something like that, or no good insurance, baby, they don't care. They don't even care, honey. They sent me on out that door quick. Like, oh, you ain't got it? Call us when you do. I was like, ooh, I think I shedded a tear. Because I was so ready to get that over with. You know what I mean? I was like, oh, okay. That's what I'm saying. Like, this year, y'all, we got to save money because being poor ain't it. So now we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 91 more dollars till we complete that, and this money will be staying in the travel binder, and then we'll flip it over and do $50, the $50 one for the lodging, and vice versa. Okay, y'all? So like I said, these were some shorter videos. I'm gonna get 2 videos out of this, so if I don't post a video on Monday, I will on Tuesday. Okay, you guys? So thank you all once again for watching my video. Y'all know I appreciate y'all so much. So see y'all on the next video.